Here I have HTC U12 Plus, and let me show you how to enter the bootloader and the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to have your phone unlocked, then let's start holding the power key. Keep holding power, and when your device goes black, let's release power and start holding volume down. As you can see right now, the device goes into the Fastboot. So this is the Fastboot mode. You can read a couple of useful information. This is also the bootloader mode, because from the following mode you can try to enter the recovery, you can try to choose the rebooting to bootloader, or you can just enter the download mode. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose power down or reboot. In my case, let me choose reboot. You can of course navigate here by using volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let me confirm the rebooting option and wait until the device shows you the regular screen. Alright, so everything went well. Now you can use your device in a normal mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.